In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with EBT on Sam's Club online in 2026, step by step. To get started, head over to Sam's Club and first make sure that online EBT SNAP payments are available in your state. This is important because availability can vary depending on where you live, so it's a good idea to confirm this before you begin shopping. Taking a moment to check this upfront can save you time later in the process. Once that's confirmed, open the Sam's Club app and sign in to your membership account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you have more than one login or share a device with someone else. Being signed in is necessary so you can save your payment method and complete the order properly. After you're signed in, go to your account section. From there, look for payment methods or wallet depending on how it appears in your app. In that section, select the option to add an EBT card. Then enter your EBT card information and save it. Be careful while typing in your card details so everything is entered correctly. If the card is accepted, it should now appear as one of your saved payment methods. Next, start shopping for SNAP eligible items and add them to your cart. Common eligible products include fruits and vegetables, meat, poultry and seafood, dairy products, bread and cereals, as well as snack foods and non-alcoholic beverages. Keep in mind that not everything sold online will qualify for EBT payment. Items like alcohol, tobacco, vitamins, medications, hot prepared foods, and most non-food products are generally not SNAP eligible, so those will need to be paid for another way. When you're finished adding items, review your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, choose your saved EBT card as the payment method for the eligible items in your order. Sam's Club should automatically apply your EBT benefits only to the products that qualify under SNAP rules. If your cart includes anything that isn't SNAP eligible, or if there are taxes, service fees, or delivery charges, you'll need to cover that remaining balance with another accepted payment method, such as a debit card or credit card. This is a normal part of the process, so don't be surprised if the total is split between two payment methods. Finally, review your full order, confirm the payment breakdown, and place the order. Once submitted, your EBT benefits will be used for eligible items only, and your backup payment method will cover the rest. And that's how to pay with EBT on Sam's Club online.